This is another van lifer. Yeah, he's got the Synchro, man. This is my dream. But you painted it in Morocco.
No, we didn't. That was the idea. The original Juan.
Juan. Ah, español.
Yeah, español.
Ah, pero la matrícula. Ah, vale, la matrícula es español. Es porque un poco raro, ¿no? Vale, estamos aquí en la playa en Estepona. Él tiene una furgoneta muy chulo. Es Synchro. Qué guay. So I thought it was going to be simple this morning. My positive energy that I put into the previous video that I just uploaded has drained down a lot because I've just basically found we just stuck this on charge effectively from my mate's van here, this guy that I've met, and yeah, the alternator started smoking, so Phil has luckily got a lot of knowledge. I'm here with Phil, he's an English guy. No, let's be honest, you've got some knowledge, and we're deep now in the process. We've taken the alternator off. I've just spoken to the company in England who basically, you know, I bought it from, and they're like, yeah, can you bring it down? I'm like, yeah, I'm in the south of Spain, so not really, but yeah. Anyway, Phil's here with me and we're working for it. It's all falling apart, to be honest. Literally, the alternator's been up in smoke. Yesterday, the battery's completely flat. Got this guy helping me here, Phil, absolute legend. But yeah, I don't know. I don't know what to do, man. I've run out of dough as well. It's all at the same sort of point. It's not starting. We put another battery on it to try and get it started yesterday or just now, and it wasn't starting. So at the limit of my sort of understanding knowledge. Phil arranged some work for me to get me some money to buy a new battery. So that afternoon I was up in the mountains cracking on with a small carpentry project, which involved putting up a couple of shelves and a kitchen top over the bar. I always love getting my teeth, literally jigsaw teeth, into any kind of woodwork. For any help with any carpentry works, get in touch. Working in this mansion today, right, and I just checked out this, yeah, so it is our AstroTurf, right, but there's a putting green here, and then there's basically, in the garden, like, you've got, you know, like a chipping green, but it's also, there's like, you could effectively say like little mini golf holes on the thing, right? You've got paddle tennis here, little paddle tennis court, right, and then look, literally come down here and there's a full-on little mini hole. How's that for having in your garden? I was basically stuck and I was like, I've got no dough, like I don't know what to do, and I was like panicking, and then this guy has just basically like made a call and just got me a job, like doing some carpentry. So I've been slowly replacing my tools over the last few months. Having access to an impact driver does make a lot of difference. I'm basically building this bar for this lady from Switzerland. Only got today though, it's a couple of days, but it's going to get me a battery, which is what I need. So I'm just grateful, really. Leaving the wood treatment for another day, I packed my tools and headed back to the van. Done. Job over, job finished. 2 shelves and a worktop. So there's definitely an issue here with this back sort of light, which I'm trying to work out why. So that's the sort of first job for today. The new battery's been installed. So brand new battery, and things are now at least working, should we say. The van's working again, but we've got to try and work out what this one here isn't working and why, because this one does work, yeah, on the other side. Come on. Does, yeah. We're now trying to fix the water pump issue. Okay, so we've taken the tank which supplies the fluid for the windscreen wiper washers, taken that out, taken the pump out.
Cut that pipe now,
So we took the water pump off to just check that the water pump was working, and it turns out that it was just basically stuck or seized up. So rather than having to change this now, we're just going to have to reconnect this back together again, and problem solved. Effectively it's seized up somehow or other. So hopefully now we're just trying to reconnect it, because the pipe that we cut off is very, very difficult to reconnect. So we're just trying to reconnect the pipe to the water pump.
Oh, it's like breaking in a virgin. Like, you know, not that I can remember that.
So we cut this this pipe and we've replaced it, and now the windscreen wiper fluid is working well. Oh, perfecto. Happy days. What's your thoughts and views on everything we've been working on with the van? Have you enjoyed it?
Yeah, fucking good. It's good knocking these problems out of the way, man.
Is there
Fucking
plenty
getting
more
rid
to
of
come?
Who knows? Well, nobody wants problems, do they? But you know, they come up and we knock them down. That's it.
Gives you something to do as well, I suppose. It gives us something to do.
Yeah.
Me and Phil have kind of, would say, concluded our work for now, or
For now, yeah. It's a bit cold. We can do the
Today-
CV joints, but
today's a bit cold. We're just researching now the CV boots in the front, and whether or not we want to attempt that. It's a bit difficult here with the, you know, conditions, should we say. But thanks for watching this video, guys. It's been a pleasure working with Phil on the van. Very grateful to have him helping me, and hopefully we'll see you next week.